here's how you can change TikTok shop address. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change TikTok shop address. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know how you can change your TikTok shop address. So yeah, as you can see, I'm here in TikTok shop seller center and I'm here on their main website. But as you can see, I haven't fully logged in because I don't have it in my country, or I can log in because it's not available for my country right now. But I'm gonna show and explain you on how you can do this. So there's only one way, and I'm gonna show you the best way and how you can do this. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end to know how you can do this. So yeah, for first step is let's say you have logged in and you're in the main dashboard of TikTok shop seller center, but you can exactly go to the settings. Like you'll see settings in the corner or somewhere right over there. Just press settings and it will bring up a whole new tab showing advertising object, and there will be stuff written over there. So as you can see in this picture that there are like product, TikTok shop, video, and many other stuff. But what you have to do is like when you have like put in your address. So while making your account, they will ask you for your actual address. So you have to put in the address and it will count in as your warehouse. So you will see the warehouse picture option right over here. So as you can see, I don't have any warehouse option in this picture, but once you have your address in it, you will see the warehouse picture. But yeah, let's say you want to change the picture. So once you click on the warehouse picture, and as you can see in this picture, in the yellow bar, as you can see, it's in the corner, it's saying add water and add warehouse. So what you have to do is click on the arrow next to the warehouse and just press add warehouse, and it will show all the warehouses that you have currently and you're running. So these warehouses all are your different addresses. So what you have to do is just press on the one that you want to change. So yeah, just press on the address that you want to change, and it will press on it and it will show the address details. So address details, and you will see an option next to edit details called edit. So what you have to do over there is just simply just press the edit option. All right. So in this picture, as you can see, there are like some address written and stuff like that. Just press on the edit option. So yeah, once you have pressed on the edit option, it will just show this whole your thing which has your number in it and all the details that you have filled in it. So what you have to do is just put in all the information that you got, right? All right. Just put in simply your new email address that you want to use for that very specific warehouse that you wanted. Do not select any other warehouse. So just select the warehouse that you wanted to change. All right. Just put in the address that you want. Simply just after that, you will see the option or some other options that will be necessary during that. Just fill it in as much as it wants. All right. Because TikTok seller shop, just fill it in. After that, in the last option, you just have to put in the number. So use the number that you created at TikTok shop seller center. So that's why I'm saying it more importantly, because as you can see right over here, for me it's CN and HK. So remember, don't use any other phone number. Although if you live in another country and you got a phone from these, you actually have to use these numbers. Without that, you won't be able to change your address. Your address won't be changed. So yeah, just go for it and put the number in it, and it will do its processing. It might take 1 to 2 days to change the address, but once you have successfully put in your address right, so let me show you and tell you what it actually asks for your address. It will actually ask for your the state that you're living in, the country, and the street, and in the ad it will ask for your postcode, as I told you earlier, and obviously you have to put in the shipping region, and yeah, you have to put in your contact, as I told you earlier. Once you have done all the steps, and after a few days they will approve and change the address that was from it. So that's basically it on how you have changed. Now you have basically changed your address, and yeah, that's basically it on how you can change your TikTok shop address. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out, and that was for this video. So yeah, peace out until then, goodbye.